Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to arcsin of 1 over s. So if we do first the derivative of this one, so we have like this. So we need to do first the derivative of 1 over s over the square root of 1 minus 1 over s, everything to the power of 2. So this one we have negative 1 over s squared. This one we have 1 over s squared. And now for this one I need to multiply by s squared on numerator and denominator. So 1s go inside the square root, and that is about s squared. And this one we need to simplify. S square we cancel. S square with number 1 we have s square with 1 over s square we have number 1. The next one dv, that is about s to the power of 3 ds. The integration of this one we have v equals to s to the power of 4 over 4. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, so s to the power of 4 divided by s, and I will put 1 over 4 outside. So because we have negative and negative, so we have positive. Now we need to focus on this one. This one I need to put about s squared and s. Next we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of s squared minus number 1. Later that we put the power number 2 for the both sides to cancel about the square root, because we have s squared, so I will put negative number 1 go to the left, and we have u squared plus 1 equals to s squared. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 2s. Number 2 and number 2 we simplify for the both sides. So the square root we change for u. S squared we change for this one. S ds we change for u du. And now we simplify u and u. The integration of u squared we have u to the power of 3 over 3. Number 1, that is about u. About u, that is about this one. Now we need to go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.